Video 21, Part 12A of 25, Importance of the Plan Cost Management Process. The objective of this video is to present the importance of the plan cost management process and the problems that arise when it is handled inappropriately. The plan cost management process is the first process in the project cost management knowledge area and is related to the planning process group. Please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you. How important is the plan cost management process in the PMBOK planning process group? The plan cost management process is a critical component of the planning process group in PMBOK. It establishes the framework for how project costs will be estimated, budgeted, managed, monitored, and controlled throughout the project lifecycle. Here we have the key reasons why plan cost management is important. 1. Foundation for cost control. The plan cost management process defines the policies, procedures, and documentation for managing project costs. It ensures consistency in estimating, budgeting, and cost tracking. 2. Aligns with organizational standards. The plan cost management process specifies whether the project will use analogous, parametric, bottom-up, or three-point estimating techniques. It determines the level of accuracy and units of measure, such as dollars, euros, and labor hours. 3. Supports realistic budgeting. The plan cost management process helps in developing a cost management plan, which guides how the budget is structured, such as contingency reserves and management reserves. It ensures stakeholders agree on how costs will be handled. 4. Enables performance measurement. The plan cost management process establishes earned value management criteria if used. It defines control thresholds, such as acceptable variance limits, for cost performance. 5. Risk and change management integration. The plan cost management process links cost management with risk management, such as contingency planning. It provides a structured approach to manage cost-related changes. What are the problems if the plan cost management process is not performed in the PMBOK planning process group as required? If the plan cost management process is not performed as required in the PMBOK planning process group, several serious problems can arise, leading to financial mismanagement, project delays, and even failure. The main problems that can arise are: 1. Unclear cost estimation and budgeting. Without a defined cost management plan, estimates may be inconsistent, overly optimistic, or unrealistic. This can have the following impacts. First, budgets may be inaccurate, leading to funding shortfalls. Second, frequent budget revisions disrupt project execution. 2. Poor cost control and overspending. Without a formal process to track and manage expenses, we may experience the following impacts. First, costs spiral out of control, such as scope creep and unapproved spending. Second, project exceeds approved budget, requiring emergency funding. 3. Lack of financial accountability. Without guidelines for recording, reporting, or approving costs, we may experience the following impacts. First, difficulty tracking who authorized expenditures. Second, increased risk of fraud or financial misuse. 4. Inadequate risk management for costs. Without contingency reserves or thresholds for cost variances, we may experience the following impacts. First, unexpected expenses, such as inflation and supply chain delays, cripple the project. Second, no fallback plan when costs exceed limits. 5. Stakeholder and sponsor distrust. Unreliable financial reporting leads to transparency issues. This can have the following impacts. First, loss of confidence from sponsors, clients, or senior management. Second, funding may be withdrawn or reduced. 6. Inefficient decision-making. Without a structured approach to evaluate cost trade-offs, we may experience the following impacts. First, poor choices in resource allocation, such as hiring and procurement. Second, delayed approvals due to unclear financial policies. 7. Compliance and audit risks. Failure to follow organizational or regulatory financial standards can result in the following impacts. First, legal or contractual penalties for mismanagement. Second, failed audits due to missing documentation. 8. Project delays and failure. Cost overruns lead to work stoppages or scope cuts. This can result in the following impacts. First, missed deadlines due to funding issues. Second, project cancellation if costs become unsustainable. In conclusion, plan cost management is essential because it ensures that costs are predictable, manageable, and aligned with project objectives. Without it, projects risk financial inefficiency, overspending, and failure to meet profitability goals. Consequences of skipping plan cost management. First, uncontrolled spending due to lack of clear budgeting guidelines. Second, inaccurate forecasts leading to cost overruns. Third, misalignment between stakeholders on financial expectations. Fourth, difficulty in tracking project performance against the budget. As a real-world example, a construction project that skips plan cost management might, first, underestimate material costs and, as a consequence, run out of money mid-project. Second, lack of expense control, resulting in unapproved change orders, resulting in increased expenses. Third, face audits without adequate records and, consequently, receive fines or lawsuits. As a final message, plan cost management is a mandatory step to ensure cost discipline and project success. Skipping plan cost management leads to financial chaos, loss of stakeholder trust, and higher project failure risks. Finishing this video, we will have in the next videos. 1. Creation of WBS for different projects using WBS Schedule Pro. 2. Examples of project plans using MS Project. And many more videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video and want us to continue with new topics. Subscribe to the channel. All content is free. You can also comment suggesting topics you would like to see on this channel. Thank you.